I'm gonna clear the tub with. Yeah. Yeah, so looking at this, obviously, the house does have significant foundation damage. Those floors sinking in it's terrifying. It's terrifying stuff, to be honest, but we got 2 acres out here, right? This house is sitting on 2 acres at $25,000 purchase price. We're coming in roughly just above the land value, right? So driving up to Lancaster for the day. We actually have 2 contracts on 2 properties out here that we need to put eyes on before we bring those to the closing table. Both of them we're likely going to rehab, put some sweat equity into them, and flip them for this hot summer. We were speaking yesterday about just getting everything set up and making it an easy and stress-free process as much as possible. We don't want you to have to worry about anything. So I was thinking, because it was so difficult to get the digital contract signed, the one piece of information the attorney would need from the lender, because there's a loan on the property, right, is an authorization to release information. All this is, it's just saying, give Battles Law LLC, who is the attorney, permission to talk to our lender in regards to the loan on this house, right? That way he can talk on your behalf, and then everything's set up. And when we actually schedule the closing date, all those documents are put in place and ready to go.
Y'all need to want to go ahead?
Yeah, that'd be great, just to take a quick look around.
Okay. That's my dog over there now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's my robot dog.
Nice.
Yeah. It's a mess, but acceptable, whatever.
Okay. You can see the floor dips a little, huh? Yeah. Part. Might have to get under the house. All this will have to come up. I know.
Never. What's going on? Maybe not.
Moisture. Yeah, so you can see here, these are the 2 floors that have the problem area. The subfloor is really soft, and you can see it sinking in. This could be a couple things. Could be termite issues, could be very well be foundation. It's obviously, we're not going to only have to rip up the subfloor, but probably repair some joists and beams under the house as well. So definitely something you always want to account for. It's likely it could be a lot of those. And then this room has the same thing. Or we can see it's really, really soft. You can see it almost, yeah. Wondering if some termites ate it away. Definitely something that we need to get under the house, take a look.
The house, you really gonna have fun trying to get under that closet.
Really? Is it really tight?
Oh, yes.
Oh, man.
My son, I was telling about the crawl space, you know, I said, if they go under there, he said, yeah, I remember that crawl space is creepy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we might not have good luck doing it. I might just keep my head in and see if we can see it.
Okay.
How long have those floors been kind of like buckling like that?
For a little while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think it's moisture, or do you think it might be termites?
It's probably moisture.
Yeah.
Because the house, the idiots that built the house in 1972, you know, I don't think they had their heads on right, because really, you can see here, it should have been a few feet. The house should have been moved a few feet back.
Oh, yeah.
You know, probably even where that tree is, you know, it should have been moved back.
Yeah, or built up something to address the drainage, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You notice, so when it rains a lot, does a lot of the water sit on this side of the house, outside? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm guessing the crawl space probably gets some water inside of it. That must be what's going on.
Yeah, that's what I figured, you know, because you got vents, you know, under the house, and
Sure.
water's gonna go to it, you know.
Yeah. Water's definitely a big issue with a lot of these houses.
Yeah.
I mean, water's the enemy. You get water coming through your roof or, inside, like, it could grow mold, it could attract bugs and termites, it could, destroy your foundation. This looks like a fruit tree.
Crawl space doors the size of your head.
Really? Yes, this right here. You can see where the brick separates. You got some foundation problems. That's a serious thing that we'll have to bring in
If it's more than an
specialist.
8 inch.
Yep. The stair stepping you can see here, it's been mortared once. You can see they filled in the gap with some mortar and it separated further. With this being on a slope, the grade, it's pushing out a little bit this way. Here, I'm gonna clear the cobweb.
Crawling under there, just I mean, the land out here is nice.
Yeah.
It's a spot.
Yeah, so looking at this, obviously, the house does have significant foundation damage. Those floors sinking in it's terrifying. It's terrifying stuff, to be honest, but we got 2 acres out here, right? This house is sitting on 2 acres at $25,000 purchase price. We're coming in roughly just above the land value, right? So even if we were to put, let's say, $50,000, $80,000 into this house to bring it back to life, we're still sitting at a great equity position with this being valued 130, 140 fixed up. But we will have to definitely bring in a foundation specialist. We're gonna have to rip out some of that subfloor, replace the beams. This is gonna be an overhaul for sure. But I would say it's worth the squeeze on this one.